We've all been there. You're driving down the road and you see blue lights behind you. The next thing you know, you've got a speeding ticket. So what do you do once you get one? You essentially have three options. You may choose to pay the ticket, thereby pleading guilty to speeding. You may choose to represent yourself and fight the ticket. Or you may hire an attorney to handle the matter for you. Unfortunately, many people feel that speeding tickets are a hassle and they simply pay the fee to avoid going to court. When you pay a speeding ticket without fighting it, you are pleading guilty. This can have large repercussions. You could get points on your license, and if you get more than 12 in a 3-year period, your license will be revoked. You may also find yourself facing insurance points. The more insurance points you have, the higher your rate will be. Therefore, simply paying a speeding ticket could cost you big in insurance increases. You should always research the consequences of pleading guilty before doing so. You may choose to fight the ticket for yourself, and for smaller infractions, you will likely be successful. A few tips to remember. Dress professionally when you go to court. Decorum matters. Think about your arguments in advance and be prepared to discuss your case. Understand the consequences and penalties of being found guilty. Be respectful and listen to the judge. Remember, the other side bears the burden of proving that you violated the law. If the officer that pulled you over does not show up, you can argue that the ticket should be dismissed outright. Finally, you may choose to hire an attorney to represent you in court. Hiring an experienced attorney is beneficial in many ways. Your attorney can inform you of the consequences at stake in your case, advise you on your options to deal with the ticket, and go to court with or for you. Every court is different, and your attorney will know how to navigate the nuances of the county that your ticket is in to get you the most favorable outcome. For many, this solution works best. You may have to pay attorney's fees, but you stand to save hundreds in higher insurance rates, and you protect your driving privileges. An attorney can take much of the anxiety of going to court away by simply attending on your behalf for most speeding matters. One final warning. Do not ignore your court date. If you or your counsel fail to show up on your court date, you could face higher court fines and license revocation even for a minor ticket. This also applies to tickets received out of state. So if you get a ticket in Georgia and don't go to court, your license might still be revoked in North Carolina.